Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another tutorial, and this one was requested by one of my lovely subscribers. Today I will be doing ombre polygel nails, and this one is something different. I've never done polygel this way on my channel or actually off camera either, so I am just trying my best. And yeah, so here I'm just applying the base to my nails, and then I will apply the nails on, and I will cure them under the UV lamp for 60 seconds. And by the way, if you use the full cover nail tips, it is easier to do polygel through this method just because you don't have to worry about building an apex. So here I'm just beginning to file, then I will continue on with my e-file, and after I will begin the tutorial. Here I'm taking my e-file to remove all the shine, and after I will apply the GERSHION base coat, place it on all the nails, and cure it under the UV lamp for 60 seconds. Remember, for long-lasting nails with no lifting, prep and prime and add a base. For video purposes, I did not do so on the tutorial. These are the polygels I'll be using. One is by GERSHION, it is Skin Color, and the other one is by Astound Beauty. It is called Dawn Sky, and it is a shimmery polygel. Here I begin by applying the first color, and I am just starting by the bottom of the nail and just molding it the best of my ability. The better you mold it, the less filing you'll have to do afterwards. So here I'm just trying my best to mold the polygel, and then after I will apply another layer, and then I will begin with my second color. Here I'm just removing the tacky layer from the Polygel with 100% acetone, and then I will begin filing and shaping. Now I'm just taking the Astound Beauty top coat, applying it to all my nails, and then curing them. These are the final results of the nails. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time.